how to make this website. You can click this art to display this picture. Just for fun, I made this. Don't take it serious. Let's begin our tutorial. First, creating a folder in desktop. You can name it special. Now open this special folder using VS Code. Press Control KO or press or you can direct your direct to your folder, specific folder. Now we should create a folder. Create a file inside this folder. Index.html. Now we should begin our. We should include the necessary tags using this exclamation mark. Also, we should have this three images like this image, this image. Next, we can the art image and this background image for our website. Now let's begin our tutorial in VS Code. I just copied this images inside this folder. You can also do this. Now I'm including an image using image tag ID. I'm giving an ID like art. You should specify the source of the image like I am including this image 3.jpg, which is this image, this background art image. Going to our file again, and I'm including a div tag for image container. Uh, Inside this, I'm including another image like art one, which is this for this source. You can art.png. This this is the image. I'm included this. Now you can see the art and the background images are included in the website. We should align and we should animate this both the images. We should add the image text. Inside this text we should add click me for this art. I'm gonna place this I'm gonna place a text inside this art. Click me inside this art. For that purpose I am included this class. You can refer as change it to ID. For that purpose I'm included this click me text. Now we should style our website using style tag. I'm not using external CSS for this. I'm using internal CSS. It is quite simple. I'm just removing the padding equal to 0 and also margin equal to 0. The margin and padding are removed in this website. This website, I'm gonna give display equal to flex for this body and flex direction. If you didn't know what is flex, we already uploaded a video about flex. You can check it out in our channel. Justify content center, and also I am placing the cross axis also in center. When items center and height equal to height colon 100 report, right? Now we can see display aligned in center. Now we should select this arts image, nothing but background image. I'm selecting this arts image, this ID. Therefore I'm selecting using hash arts, and I'm giving like width equal to 100%, which takes the body containers with parent its parent width, and height equal to auto. It will automatically allocate the height. I'm gonna give like animation for this. Before this, we should place. We also select this art. You can see this. You can also selecting this art. This art one image. Art one image. I'm using this hash here, and using height 700 pixel. Can give as per your requirement. I am giving like 700 pixels. position relative, and top. I'm giving like 2000 pixels. Like now you can see the art is aligned in center. For this page, we should add the keyframes and animation for this both images. First, I'm adding keyframes for this arts image. I'm giving the animation 1 second animation, which is like zoom in and out infinity. You should alternate, and you should add the keyframes for this animation, zoom in, zoom out, keyframes, zoom in, out, zoom in, out. I'm giving 100%, and transform scale. We should use the scale for zoom in and zoom out. 1.5. I'm giving 1.5, which extends the image and distinguishes the image. You can see this. You can see that this animation is going. Now we should also animate this art. We should place the text inside this art. Click me. For that, I'm selecting this image container, and dot image container. I'm selecting this image container and position relative and height auto and width auto and animation. I'm going to animate this art. For this, I'm using this. It's parent image container. This is child for this tag. For I'm animating this parent tag. Zoom in, zoom out. I'm adding this to infinity alternate. I'm just duplicating this first keyframes. Control C and placing it below this and changing to zoom to. Now you can see the artist and animation is created. Should you can see it in full screen. It is it is zoom in and zoom out. Now we should place this click me text inside this art. Also, I'm adjusting for 1.2 1.2 because it should be slow. You can give as per your requirement. I'm not insist you to do the same way as I do. You can do your own way of styling. I'm also selecting now get to the topic. I'm also selecting this image text image text giving font size. I'm giving 120 pixels and position position absolute and the color white. You can give in any color as per your requirement. You can see this not displayed. You should adjust its position. I'm giving like 1000 pixels left. You can give now you can see it is here. You should place inside this. It can be achieved by I'm using like 700. I can see this. I can see it is created. We should add art one. For art one, we should add this cursor equal to pointer. I can see the cursor is changed into point for this art. We should add on clicking this part, we should go to another page. For this I'm adding like on click uh, next page, next page. You can see in full screen. I'm just placed a function here inside this for this art image. And also I'm typing for to go for going to the next page. You can type a function in JavaScript like next page. For this function I'm going to give the definition like window dot location equal to that page link. That page is not created, can create it like next page dot html. We can name this page file. We should link this file here. Next page dot next page dot html. We can link this page here. Now refresh and click this image. Now nothing is displayed. We should add this next page html dot next page dot html file. We should add the tom this picture in this next page dot html. uh, uh, I'm including the necessary tags. You can see this I'm including an image container. This is a division tag. uh, Inside this I am including an image with the id like I can create tom and linking this image this the page tombstone dot png 3 dot png. You can link the image. And inside this image container I'm typing can give inside, can give any name. I'm like creating like division tag for inside text. You can declare sorry, you can create like inside txt. I'm taking like happy valentines. Just for fun I'm doing this. Now don't take it serious. Really just for I'm going to add a style for this. You can see Now you can see the image is linked. Should add style for this image. Similarly for this I am reducing the margin 0 pixel and giving the body display flex flex direction. You can give it row column. I'm selecting this tom, can selecting this id image id and giving the width 100% and height auto. And also this I'm selecting this image container class dot image container I'm giving like position to the relative. You can see it is fixed. We should animate and should add some styles. Light auto, width also auto I'm giving width auto and animation 1 second. Zoom in out to infinite alternate cursor, changing my cursor to pointer, turn to pointer. It is not for this animation. We should add this for this animation name. Should add the keyframes type that name keyframes and type 100% and like transform as well. You can scale it for just you can duplicate it from this keyframes. You can duplicate. Just I'm retyping like can like 212. And also final I'm going to place this inside text in in this position, like in this position, you can see the animation is created. You should place this text inside this in this area. You can place in this area. We should place in this area. Sorry, dot side text position absolute font size 120 pixels. I'm displaying the font weight. You can give bold for bolder text, and you can see this. We should change the color, and we should place it in here. Now changing the color white. It is not displaying, but the text is here. You can see this text is here. We should place like, you can see it is placed here. Now in full screen you can see this properly aligned. You can give like 55. Now it is perfect. You can also you can add like music for this window, and clicking this you can change the music. You can do like like that also. Also you can change the text color again and again. Can look, it is looks nice, but I am leaving like this. uh, it is also looking good. Now it is a simple website, like click me, it will direct to you can see this. That's all about this video. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.